Hey Balo, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you over this video. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to the email or give me a phone call. Um, that being said, let's jump right into it. So, the gist of this video is to show you the three main ways that you can start ranking your website in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers each month. And so if we have Staten Island painters here, these different keywords get searched about 400 times every month. So the first thing is content on your homepage. And so if we take everything that you see here, including these images and what they're saved as, and just everything here on this homepage, and we copy it and we throw it into this word counter here. Sorry, I didn't copy it. There we go. Then it shows me that you guys have 207 words on your homepage. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the reason for that is Google sees your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the more content that you have, then the bigger their platform gets, and they will kind of reward you by ranking you for what your content is relevant to. And so just to run a comparison, I picked Staten Island's painter, and we did the exact same thing with theirs and just copied everything on their homepage, threw it in here, and they only have 100 more words than you. So, it'd be relatively easy to, even if you had a back page, because I know that you guys are in New Jersey, but you are advertising in Staten Island. So even if you had a back location page that would target these exact keywords and you had that 1,500 to 2,000, then you would beat out your competitors. That back page could rank in Google, and you would meet these key terms and Google's requirements. The next thing that I wanted to show you was backlinks, and really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take your URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me the back end of your website. And as you can see, you guys have 7 links coming from 5 websites. And so you have a little bit of health rating already. However, this right here is Google's trust rating. And as you can see, it's not very high. And that's really just because some of these links, although you do have a good base going here, some of them are not passing as much power as they should, and they're not on the most quality websites. So just so that you can see what we're talking about, this right here is a link that goes to your homepage. However, this is a temporary no-follow link that's due to this search engine. But if you had a link like this on a painting blog post, then that's going to pass a lot more relevant power, and Google's going to see the relevance there, and it's going to trust it more. So to compare to your competition, we threw them in here as well, and they only have 2 backlinks on their back end. So it would be relatively easy to rank over these competitors of yours because they don't have a whole lot going on in the back end. And so if you get that content right, then the back end, it's just going to be a matter of time before you rank over them. The third and final thing that I wanted to show you is a type of backlink that gets you in this map pack here, and it's just a citation. And all a citation is the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, or even Facebook is considered a directory, really just anywhere where you can get your business name, address, and phone number. And so once Google verifies that you are a legit business with a real physical address and not just any other website out there on the internet, then they'll start to rank your GMB here according to how many citations you have on more powerful websites. So that's what gets you in this map pack. And of course, these 3 here get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings do down here. And so 25% more clicks is about 25% more calls, which is 25% more business coming in each month. So that's all that I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. Again, all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback. you can reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So thanks again, and we'll talk soon.